The value of a thermal imaging camera that can be used as a tool during maintenance for solar PV systems is largely overlooked. In this video, we see a CAT phone with a built-in FLIR thermal imaging camera. What we are looking at are two molded case circuit breakers. On the left-hand side, we see a molded case circuit breaker that is cold, and on the right-hand side, we see a similar molded case circuit breaker. And what this does is it shows us the difference between different temperatures inside DB boards and inside connectors. We can use this tool as a mechanism or means of identifying issues that may require preventative maintenance before anything on a site happens. If you're a solar installer and you are considering starting to get involved with solar PV system maintenance, you should definitely add a thermal imaging camera to your list of tools and equipment. Look out for the video where we discuss solar PV system maintenance agreements, also referred to as service level agreements for solar PV systems.